Alright, this is how I cleaned my ports. Try and get rid of my code P401. These lines were blocked. So first, I grabbed these with a good pair of pliers and first twisted to crack the seal, and then rotate and pull up until it comes up. Very good. Then you gotta find yourself a really small drill bit with a holder. Now this one is 1/128ths of an inch. And then there's a very small hole in here, which I already kind of pushed out and drilled out. But let's go straight through all the way into the throttle body. Clear that out. And you can have hopefully one less thing to be the reason for your codes.